Hiker Power is a game-changing backpack that doubles as a portable power station, perfect for outdoor lovers who want to stay connected off the grid. Successfully funded on Kickstarter in May 2022, it's the first of its kind to combine storage and power in one smart design. Equipped with a 600-watt battery and 1,000 watts max output, Hiker Power can charge laptops, cameras, drones, and even electric bikes. Whether you're camping, hiking, or exploring remote places, it gives you the freedom to power up anywhere. Built for adventure, it's waterproof, dustproof, and features an ergonomic back support system to keep you comfortable on the move. It also includes handy extras like a built-in LED light, a USB-C port, and a side power jack, making it practical and ready for any situation. If you love the outdoors but still want the comfort of staying powered up, Hiker Power is the ultimate backpack for your journey. Strong, smart, and built to keep up with your adventures. The GoSun Flow is a great choice for eco-conscious campers who want to cook outdoors without using gas, fire, or electricity. This smart solar cooker runs entirely on sunlight. It uses parabolic solar technology to heat up quickly and cook your food efficiently. No smoke, no mess, and no fuel needed. It's lightweight, compact, and super easy to set up. Just unfold it, point it at the sun, and you're ready to cook. Whether you're boiling water, heating soup, or making a full meal, the GoSun Flow gets the job done with clean, renewable energy. Perfect for hiking, camping, or off-grid adventures, it lets you enjoy tasty meals while staying kind to the planet. With the GoSun Flow, you can cook anywhere the sun shines. Simple, sustainable, and totally fuel-free. The EMR3 emergency medical radio is a smart and reliable tool for anyone who loves exploring the outdoors. When you're deep in the wilderness and out of cell range, getting help in an emergency can be a real challenge. That's where the EMR3 comes in. This compact and powerful radio lets you contact emergency responders using dedicated emergency frequencies. Whether you're dealing with an injury, illness, or unexpected situation, the EMR3 allows you to send and receive important medical info, even in the most remote locations. It's lightweight, simple to use, and built for tough outdoor conditions. Whether you're hiking, camping, or off on a solo adventure, this device gives you peace of mind knowing that help is just a message away. With the EMR3, you're never truly alone in the wild. The CampStream One lets you enjoy movie nights under the stars, turning any campsite into your own outdoor theater. This compact and lightweight projector comes with a screen and is perfect for streaming movies, shows, or even playing video games while surrounded by nature. It connects wirelessly to your phone, tablet, or laptop, and the built-in battery gives you hours of entertainment without needing a power source. It's super easy to pack and set up, making it a great addition to any camping trip. Whether you're relaxing in your tent or sitting around the campfire with friends, CampStream One brings the fun with you. From solo adventures to group hangouts, it adds a special touch to your outdoor experience. With CampStream One, every night can be a movie night, right under the stars. Hiker Power is a clever and eco-friendly solution for hikers and backpackers who need to keep their devices charged on the trail. Forget carrying bulky power banks or stressing over a dead phone. Hiker Power uses special boot inserts that turn your body heat into electricity as you walk. That means your steps are actually powering up your phone, GPS, camera, or other small devices. No extra gear required. Just slip the inserts into your boots before your hike, and they quietly work in the background while you explore. It's a smart, hands-free way to stay connected without relying on outlets or solar chargers. Whether you're out for a day hike or on a multi-day trek, Hiker Power keeps your devices ready so you can capture every moment and stay safe along the way. It's simple, sustainable, and built for adventure, one step at a time. Let's face it, after a long day of hiking, exploring, or just being out in nature, a regular camping chair doesn't always cut it. That's where the Ecto chair makes a big difference. Built for serious comfort, The Ecto chair has an ergonomic design that supports your back and legs, so you can truly relax. It even comes with a built-in leg rest, giving you that feet-up, stressed-down feeling. The breathable mesh keeps you cool, and the adjustable features let you find the perfect sitting position. Best of all, it's lightweight and folds up compactly, making it super easy to carry on any outdoor adventure. Whether you're kicking back by the fire, enjoying a sunset, or stargazing after a long day, the Ecto chair is your go-to spot for comfort and relaxation in the wild. Sinhanker is a smart and portable lighting device designed for both indoor and outdoor use. It was fully funded on Kickstarter in April 2023 and combines the functions of a flashlight and a lantern in one compact gadget. With its telescopic design, Sinhanker easily transforms from a small 11.5 centimeters torch into a bright 39 centimeter lantern. This makes it perfect for camping, hiking, working in dark spaces, or handling power outages at home. It's also IPX5 waterproof, so it can handle splashes and rain without any issues. And here's the bonus. It works as a power bank too. You can charge your phone or other small devices on the go, making it super convenient for travel and emergencies. The built-in battery offers up to 50 hours of light on the lowest setting, giving you reliable brightness whenever you need it. Whether you're in the great outdoors or just need a backup light at home, Sinhanker is a powerful, versatile, and easy-to-carry solution. It's now available on the official Sinhanker website. The Circle Bike is a unique and creative concept that transforms the idea of a traditional touring bike. Designed for long-distance travel, it features a large circular frame at its center that turns the bike into a compact, mobile living space. Inside this circular section is a fold-out bed that also functions as a desk and a small cooking station. So whether you're resting, working, or preparing a meal, the Circle Bike has you covered, right on the road. Although it's built for touring, it's also great for camping, bikepacking, or even commuting. It offers a smart, space-saving way to explore the world without giving up comfort. The bike was created by Bernhard Zabka, a German industrial designer who wanted a more flexible and self-sufficient way to travel. His goal was to design a bike that offers more than just mobility. It's a full travel companion. Still in the prototype stage, the Circle Bike is expected to hit the market soon, with an estimated price of $5,800. It's a bold and practical choice for anyone looking to turn their bike rides into full-on adventures. The Nash Tackle Heated Blanket is a cozy solution for staying warm during cold nights outdoors. Whether you're fishing, camping, or just relaxing under the stars, this heated blanket adds comfort when the temperature drops. It's designed to fit Nash sleep systems perfectly, but also works with other similar setups. Powered by a Nash power pack with a cigarette lighter style output, the blanket heats up quickly and stays warm for hours. A full charge takes about 4 hours, and it can run for up to 17 hours on the lowest heat setting, ideal for overnight warmth. Made from lightweight and breathable fabric, the blanket is soft on your skin and keeps you warm without feeling too heavy or hot. When your adventure is over, just toss it in the washing machine for easy cleaning. If you're someone who enjoys the outdoors but doesn't like the cold, the Nash Tackle Heated Blanket is a must-have. It's simple to use, easy to pack, and makes any outdoor trip a lot more comfortable. iOaks is a clever all-in-one camping kitchen that packs everything you need to cook outdoors into one compact, easy-to-carry box. Made with durable materials like aluminum, beechwood, and stainless steel, it's built to handle the outdoors while keeping things neat and functional. Inside, you'll find a 2-burner stove, sink, cutting board, chopping block, storage rack, and table, all thoughtfully arranged to make outdoor cooking smooth and stress-free. The adjustable legs keep everything steady, even on rough ground, and the removable sink makes cleanup simple. It even has a built-in light, so you can keep cooking after dark. Thanks to its built-in wheels, iOaks is easy to move and can be set up or packed away in just a few minutes. Whether you're camping in the woods, taking a road trip, or just enjoying a backyard cookout, iOX turns any outdoor space into a complete kitchen, making your adventures tastier and more organized. The Everglow Light Tube is a smart, lightweight LED light made for camping and outdoor fun. Its inflatable design softens the brightness, giving off a warm, even glow without harsh glare, great for lighting up your tent or campsite. You get both directional lighting and a lantern-style glow, so it works well for reading, cooking, or simply relaxing at night. The adjustable brightness ranges from 20 to 270 lumens, letting you set the perfect mood or visibility depending on your needs. Powered by a 5-volt white LED, it's energy efficient and long-lasting. It's also incredibly easy to hang or attach, thanks to a built-in carabiner and magnetic points. You can clip it to your tent, backpack, or stick it to any metal surface. Whether you're deep in the woods or just enjoying a night under the stars, the Everglow Light Tube is a reliable and portable lighting solution that adds comfort and convenience to every outdoor adventure. A cabin that adapts to you. Cabin Anna is more than just a place to sleep. It's a unique experience that moves with you. Thanks to its sliding wooden shell, the cabin can open up completely to nature or close off for privacy and warmth. It's like having a cabin that changes with your mood and the seasons. Inside, the layout is simple and peaceful. A cozy sleeping area sits in the center, surrounded by smart spaces, like a hidden kitchen and a neatly tucked away bathroom. Large glass panels let in natural light and stunning views, making you feel connected to the outdoors even when you're inside. Designed in the Netherlands, Cabin Anna is perfect for people who love nature, quiet retreats, or a slower way of living with a modern touch. At around $95,000, you're not just buying a cabin, you're choosing a flexible, nature-inspired lifestyle that's both beautiful and practical. Hygge Mini. Simple living, warm feeling. The Hygge Mini is more than just a tiny house. It's a warm, welcoming space where every detail feels personal. With clean Scandinavian style and natural wood, it brings comfort and calm in the most beautiful way. Large windows let in sunlight during the day and soft shadows in the evening, making the space feel open and peaceful. Inside, smart storage and sleek touches prove that minimal design can still feel cozy and complete. Whether you're sipping coffee by the built-in bench or writing by the window, the Hygge Mini wraps you in a gentle, calming vibe. It's a space made for slowing down and truly enjoying the moment. At $42,000, you're not just getting a home, you're embracing a simpler, more thoughtful way to live.
Burley Coo XC, your go-to adventure cargo trailer. The Burley Coo XC is a strong, single-wheel cargo trailer built for cyclists who love adventure, bikepacking, and touring. It can carry up to 70 pounds of gear and offers a spacious 70-liter cargo area. Plus, you can add extra accessories and a flexible cargo net to fit even more stuff. With its coil spring suspension, the trailer rolls smoothly over rough and rocky trails, so your ride feels comfortable no matter where you go. The kickstand is height adjustable, making it easy to load and unload your gear without hassle. This trailer is built tough and is super versatile, perfect for long bike trips, daily commuting, or any time you need to carry a lot without slowing down. Prices depend on where you buy it and which add-ons you pick, but the base model usually starts at about $400. If you're looking for a reliable, easy-to-use cargo trailer that can keep up with your adventures, the Burley Coo XC is a great choice. Micro Mobile Residence, a cool and compact travel bike camper. The Micro Mobile Residence is a unique travel bike camper made by Maxim Desch, who wanted a way to explore Europe with freedom and comfort. Whether traveling alone or with a partner, this camper is built to make every trip easy and fun. It looks stylish with wooden panels and round porthole windows, giving it a vintage ship cabin vibe that's both classic and modern. Inside, it's cozy but smartly designed. It's about 2 meters long, 0.76 meters wide, and tall enough at 1.37 meters for Maxim to lie down comfortably. If it feels tight, the camper can expand on the side to give you more space to move around. Weighing just 30 kilograms, it's super light and easy to tow with your bike. There's secure storage to keep your things safe, and a handy control hub to manage the lights, air conditioning, and charging, making your adventures comfortable and hassle-free. The Micro Mobile Residence Camper is perfect for anyone who loves to travel light but wants a cozy, stylish place to rest on the road. Bailey Unicorn Vigo Caravan, your spacious and cozy travel companion. The Bailey Unicorn Vigo Caravan is a favorite for couples and families who love hitting the road in comfort. Built by Bailey of Bristol, it offers plenty of space and thoughtful features that make traveling feel like home. With nearly 2 meters of headroom, the inside feels open and airy. You can pick from several floor plans, but every model includes a cozy lounge area with a large sofa bed, 2 comfy armchairs, and a coffee table, perfect for unwinding after a day of adventures. The kitchen is fully equipped with all the essentials: a gas cooker, sink, fridge, and microwave, making meal prep easy no matter where you are. The bathroom has everything you need too: a shower, toilet, and wash basin for privacy and convenience. Starting at around $41,500 for the 2023 model, the Bailey Unicorn Vigo Caravan is a fantastic choice for anyone wanting a spacious, comfy, and well-equipped home on wheels. It's perfect for making memories on the road with family or friends. B-Turtle Micro Caravan. The B-Turtle is a clever, lightweight camper built for biking and camping adventures. It weighs just 25 kilograms, making it easy to pull behind your bike and simple to set up wherever you stop. On the move, it works like a regular bike trailer, with the tent folded neatly on the platform and plenty of room for your gear. When it's time to camp, just unfold the tent and inflate the base. The sleeping area pops up off the ground, keeping you dry and comfy. Inside, there's over 130 centimeters of headroom, enough space for 2 people to sit, stretch, and relax. With a starting price of about $3,100, the B-Turtle is a fun and affordable way for cyclists to enjoy camping without the extra weight or stress. It's all about freedom, comfort, and easy adventure.
Staying powered while camping can be a challenge, but the Goal Zero Yeti and Skylight solar panel make it simple and stress-free. The Yeti is a strong, portable battery that can charge all your must-have devices: phones, cameras, laptops, and more. Say goodbye to dead batteries in the middle of nowhere. When paired with the Skylight solar panel, you can recharge the Yeti using sunlight. It's a clean, quiet, and eco-friendly way to keep your gear running, even when you're far off the grid. This combo is perfect for campers who want to stay connected, take photos, use GPS, or even work remotely while enjoying nature. With the Goal Zero Yeti and Skylight, you get reliable power wherever your adventure takes you. It's a smart solution for anyone who wants comfort, convenience, and freedom outdoors.